Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Respected President, honorable members, and dear buddies, in this august house, it gives me an immense pleasure to stand before you all and to speak a few words about the loves of Prophet, peace be upon him, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, before this auspicious gathering. I hope you all give a patient hearing to my outpourings. Respected President, Muslims all over the world love Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. He is respected and honored not amongst the Muslims, but many non-believers have also praised him due to his extraordinary attributes and the message he brought. But perhaps many are not aware to this fact that the love for the Prophet is an essential part of Muslims' faith, and without it, one's belief would be considered unaccomplished. As in Bukhari, Hadith 14, narrated by Hazrat Anas alayhi salam, the Prophet said, "None of you will have faith till he loves his father, his children, and all the mankind." Love for the Prophet, peace be upon him, is the measure of our Iman, and our Iman is only completed and perfected only when our love for the Prophet exceeds our love for anything else in this world, including our own selves. Now, it is necessary to know about the love which Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, approved of. And what sort of expressions did he reject? Scholars have stated many signs of the Prophet's love that can be summarized. Firstly, to have a strong desire to see the Holy Prophet and to be in the company of Prophet. Secondly, to be ever ready to sacrifice one's life and his wealth for the sake of Holy Prophet. To obey what the Prophet commanded and abstain what the Prophet forbade. Fourthly, to support and favor the Prophet's Sunnah and to defend the Sharia what was revealed to him. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, often disliked excessive and exaggerated praise, as narrated by Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala anha. I heard the Prophet saying, "Do not exaggerate in praising me, as the Christian prays for son of Mary, for I'm only a slave. So call me the slave of Allah and his apostle." The firmly established principle in Islam that our Iman is as good as our love for the Prophet is fairly and accurately expressed by an Urdu poet when he says, "Without love for the Prophet, it is difficult to find God. He who is not for the Prophet can't be of God." To be a Muslim, it is not enough to believe in God. Daily prayers, charity, fasting, and Hajj, all are fine. But despite these all, a Muslim can't be faithful unless he gets ready to sacrifice for the honor of peace be upon him. God is witness. My faith can't attain perfection. Love of the Prophet breathes life into our practice of religion. The Holy Prophet loved the faithful first. The Quran testifies it when it says, "The Prophet is greatly aggrieved at your loss and extremely anxious for your good. For the believers, he is full of kindness and mercy." The Prophet's love was not limited just to his believers. his love for all the humanity, for all the human beings in the world, for all the non-believers, his kindness, his mercy for all the human beings in the world. As Quran says, we have not sent you a prophet, but as rahmah to all this world. So, love of the prophet is love of all the beauty and nobility of character. Truthfulness, justness, humility, and inner strength, which is capable of a man. And as a prophet, as al-insan al-kamil, possessed in the utmost degree. Love for the prophet means to acknowledge, cherish, and glorify all the potential goodness and greatness that God has created within a man. Thanks.